Welcome back. In the previous video, I showed you some front-end web development languages. While front-end developers focus on creating the user-facing elements of a website, back-end developers work behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. As opposed to altering the user-facing side, back-end development languages help programmers manipulate servers, databases, and software that power websites and apps. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the most common back-end web development languages. Come with me. Number 1 is Python. Python is a versatile and more beginner-friendly programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is a wide range of frameworks, such as Django and Flask, that simplify back-end development tasks like database management and handling HTTP requests. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks make it a popular choice among back-end developers. Number 2 is PHP, which stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used server-side scripting language specifically designed for web development. PHP seamlessly integrates with HTML and provides powerful features for handling databases, generating dynamic content, and interacting with web servers. Popular PHP frameworks like Laravel and Symfony enhance productivity and maintainability for complex web applications. Number 3 is Ruby. Ruby is a dynamic and object-oriented programming language that prioritizes simplicity and readability. It is most commonly associated with the Ruby on Rails framework, which provides a structure for building robust and scalable web applications. Ruby's elegant syntax and extensive ecosystem make it a preferred choice for web development projects. Number 4 is Java. Java is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its platform independence and scalability. It is commonly used for building enterprise-level web applications that require high performance and security. Java frameworks like Spring and Hibernate offer tools for building complex backend systems with ease. Number 5 is C#. C# is a modern, general-purpose programming language developed by Microsoft. It is primarily used for building Windows desktop applications and web services. With the rise of the .NET framework, C# has gained popularity as a back-end language for developing scalable and secure web applications. Number 6 is Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime, that is, the environment where your JavaScript code executes, built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. It allows developers to run JavaScript code on the server side, opening up opportunities for full-stack JavaScript development. Node.js is highly scalable, efficient, and ideal for building real-time applications and APIs. Remember, back-end developers need to have a solid understanding of databases, server management, and web security, in addition to their language proficiency. That's why back-end development is generally a little harder than front-end development, but it's still pretty learnable nonetheless. I'll be making a video to review some of the websites I've built so far, so stay tuned.